almost out of time. Defoe. It's Letts. A few extra seconds being tacked on because of the substitution. And a free kick for Sunderland.
To begin with, it's just a case of nobody getting caught offside here.
Goalkeeper thought about coming forward, glanced across at his manager who waved it back. What a waste.
One moment for Eitel Frank.
He ran out. Jackie. He ran out.
What?
There's no more.
No more. That's it. You don't get it. Thank you. Very scratchy.
Particularly well, but able to knock it down. I tell you what, the United States are going to have to do 2 more. They're going to have to force Teodosic things like turnovers. He had 4 in the first game. He leaves his feet a lot, jumps in the air. They're going to have to create some turnovers. Clay Thompson shoot it well, and you got to get multiple shots, and that's what DeAndre Jordan does. Mark, the other night against Spain, the United States had 21 offensive rebounds for 25 points. One of the things I wrote down for Serbia to win the game, they're going to have to defensively rebound the basketball today.
Jordan only 13 of 31 at the line of the Olympics, 43% during his NBA career. Too strong right there. He was sent to the line by Kovacic, who committed the foul.
Initially, Klay Thompson is guarding Teodosic. They have Kyrie Irving off the basketball, so they're using a bigger defender, Klay Thompson, a better defender, and putting Kyrie off the ball.
Dropped it.
And on that handoff, the foul is on Johnson.
It's on the floor.
That's deflected by Johnson. Durant. Anthony.
Teodosic, one thing with Teodosic too, Mark, you got to make him defend. You know, a guy who runs the team and does all those things, take his legs away by making him work on both ends of the floor.
Foul committed by Durant.
You're a thief.
Put it in play. We're just underway in the gold medal game. Markovic. And he has the good touch. Here is Slot for Williamson. Last week against the U.S. put up 18 points. He did foul out, but had a terrific game.
Jokic combined for 43. Bigs are going to have to do a good job in the paint today.
Irvin trying to use the screen. Picked up by Pogba on a switch.
He knows he's in Mamzer.
But not able to finish.
Boy.
Markovic gets it ahead. It's a very patient Serbian team. However, Markovic saw the opening, but could not finish. Here's Durant on a crossover. Ball knocked away, saved by Irving, who fires one, not a good shot. He was off balance.
Kyrie was 6 for 6 from 3 and
List out. Go ahead, list out.
That went 2 and 3 in the
List out. You are not thirsty? You drink too much. Yes.
Tiebreakers, and here they are playing for the gold medal. Durant very close to a travel. Back to Serbia. Nice pass, Teodosic.